Hey guys, it's Jess
and Rachel,
and we have a new video!
Woo!
Finally.
Yes, it's been so long because I started classes, Jessica has school and dance team, and it's crazy how much we don't have time together. But we're finally back.
And we have a different type of video.
Yes. We have a DIY kind of kit thing. We were at Michael's and we found this thing and we thought it would be fun to do and cool. It is this Powerballs, make it your own or whatever things.
We wanted to get something that we could like mess up on.
Yeah. How we do this, we have these little mold things. This one is like a little, what is that, like octagonal shape? I don't know. It looks like this. And then we have a circle one as well. These are just the ones that it comes with. And they're these two little things. So you clip them together.
And then you add these like little sand things. There's like a bunch of different colors. And there's more in that box, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
But you just add like the colors that you want and you just pour them in. And then you
dunk it in water.
Let them sit for like 5 or 10 minutes.
Like submerged in the water.
And then you can take them out and
pull them apart and you're done. So yeah, let's get into it.
It's gonna fail. So the first step is decide which shape, mold, much colors you are going to use for your ball. So Rach, which one do you want?
I want the octagonal.
Okay, so take this one. How this thing goes together.
And snap them together.
If I can figure out how. So it should look like this. Rachel did hers. Okay, and the next step is, snap together. We got it. Next step, open the color crystal packages that you would like to use first and pour the desired amount into the funnel at the top of the ball.
So here we opened our orange, purple, blue, white, and pink because that's what colors we are using first. And there goes Jessica pouring in her pink. Not too much because...
Step 4. Holding the funnel part of the mold, carefully place the filled mold in a cup. While holding the mold, fill the cup with water right up to the bottom. Let the mold sit in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the mold from the water and wait 10 minutes.
Wait, we had to put them in for 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, take them out and wait 10 minutes. Rachel!
Oh my god, I'm scared to open it.
Rachel. Dad, I can't open this.
Michael, look at my super ball. Whoa!
Whoa.
Wait, how do I get it off this part?
Ew, it's sticky.
Is it done?
Yeah.
It's like giving
I don't want
birth.
to break it. Break it.
That's not a ball. How come yours is square?
Because I want it square. Look at it!
Oh,
Your square
cool.
peg.
Wait, I'm gonna like... I'm cutting that off. Ew, they're sticky. We
These are the proud parents of Powerball.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video.
make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Yes, subscribe because we are having a little giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers.
We believe that you can get us there.
Yes. We think you can do it, and it'll be fun because you get some cool stuff just for subscribing to us.
So make sure to check up on our social media. We made an Instagram and a Twitter.
For both of us, so it's not like, go follow both of us. It's like follow one account. And we will link those down below.
And yeah,
We'll see you next time.
bye. They're what?
Very special, like you two.